Hey guys, welcome back to Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I am going to tell you the top Telegram tips, and we are beginning right away. So guys, the first important Telegram tips and tricks is how to edit a message. If you have done any spelling mistake, or if you have sent a wrong message, or if you have accidentally sent some message to the recipient, even after the recipient has read the message, you can actually edit the message and you can make the corrections that you want. So for example, I have accidentally written how are you going. Instead I had to write how are you doing. So in order to edit the message, what you have to do is just tap on this, and there is an option called as edit, and when you just edit the message, you can just go ahead and write whatever you wanted to tell. You can just type again how are you doing. It shows a symbol which says edited. That means this message was edited. So this is a privacy feature that they have made, and this is how you can edit the message on your Telegram. So guys, the next important Telegram tips and tricks is to use large size emojis. In order to enable large size emojis, what you have to do is just go to the settings over here, and in the settings there is something called as chat settings. In the chat settings, just scroll down and there is an option called as large emoji. So just enable large emoji, with the help of which what happens is all the emojis that you use on your Telegram Messenger will become large in size. And also just make sure that you enable the animations in the emoji. Now let me go ahead and send an emoji over here, guys. As you can see, I am sending an emoji that is this smiley emoji, and let me go ahead and send it. And as you can see, this is how animations and also large size emojis will be enabled on your Telegram Messenger. So it looks actually very cool. If I want to use this monkey emoji over here and I just send, as you can see, this gets animated and becomes large in size. Most of the emojis which are basic emojis work in large size, and it looks really cool, and the overall chatting experience become even more interactive. So guys, the third important tips and tricks for the Telegram Messenger, which is about the heart emoji. So if you know that there is heart emoji that is present in almost every keyboard, and also that is present in almost every chatting application, but especially in Telegram, to make this experience even more better, they have added a user experience feature with the help of which when we send a heart emoji and tap on the emoji, it will actually give a lub dub sound. Phone actually vibrates to give you that feeling that the heart is vibrating. So when I send the heart emoji over here and I just tap on this, it will give you a 3 vibrations, that is lub dub, and lub dub. 3 vibrations will occur, and also there is a beautiful thing that the sound is also present. Currently my device is in silent mode. When I put back to normal mode, as you can see, when I'm putting back to normal mode, let me just tap on this, it will actually give you that sound. Did you guys hear that? This is a very cool feature that Telegram actually offers. So guys, fourth important thing for Telegram Messenger is to use the hike stickers on Telegram. There was Hike Messenger that was very famous, and you were in love with the Hike Messenger stickers. Now you can use the stickers that was present in Hike Messenger on Telegram itself. So in order to enable the Hike Messenger stickers on Telegram, what you have to do is just go to the Google Play Store over here, and in the search bar just type Hike stickers for Telegram. There is an application called Stickers by Hike. So this is the application Stickers by Hike, and you can just open this app. So this is the Hike sticker app, and if you left some stickers, or if you want to use some stickers that was present in Hike, you can just go ahead and add those stickers to either WhatsApp or Telegram. Now what we'll do is, I want to use this sticker over here. As you can see, honey bunny sticker, and I'll just click to add to Telegram. All our sticker pack will get featured over here, and just click on add to Telegram, and all the honey bunny stickers will get added to Telegram Messenger. You can even add those Hike stickers to your WhatsApp Messenger as well. So guys, the next important Telegram tips and tricks is to create the chat folders. If you are having specific group of people who you speak with frequently on Telegram Messenger, instead of just browsing to their chat every time, you can create chat folders with the help of which you can access those chats easily. Just go to the settings over here, and here in the settings we have something called as folders. So just click on folders over here. Here there is an option to create folder. So just click on create new folder. Here you can actually add whichever chats that you want to add in this folder. So I have added one particular chat or one particular conversation that is present in this folder. Now I'll actually include a name to this chat over here, guys, and I'll just click on save, and this chat folder will get saved, and you can access those chats right from your home screen of Telegram Messenger. As you can see, you have this bro code chat that is present as a separate folder over here, and all chats are present over there. You can just chat with this particular person just by using this chat folder, and not just getting cluttered with all those chats that is available in your main chat folder. So guys, the next important tips and tricks for Telegram Messenger is to quote a message. So we have a quote message facility that is present on Telegram as well. So for example, if person has sent something and you want to reply to that particular message. In order to quote a message, there are two important ways. This is one way. Just tap on the message, reply will come. You can just send the reply message over there. There is another way to just use the gesture over here. So in order to use the gesture, just left swipe on this like this, and that quote will get activated and you can send a message easily. And the third way to just reply to that particular message is to long tap on that message and just click on reply over here, and you can just send whatever you want. These are the three different ways to reply to a message. One is just tap on the message over here, reply like this. Second one is to slide over to the left like this, and the third one is to just long press on this and click on reply. So guys, the next important Telegram tips and tricks is to delete messages for everyone. So for example, Telegram offers a feature where you can actually delete a message to you and as well as the recipient as well. If I've sent these many messages to this person, even after the person has read those messages, what you can do is you can actually delete any number of messages. So just long press on those messages, select any message you want and just click on this delete, and there is an option which says also delete for that recipient as well. Just select also delete for the recipient, and the message actually gets deleted for the recipient as well, which is a very cool feature. The person who has already seen this message also will not be able to see this message again. So guys, the next important tips and tricks for Telegram is to use search gifs inside the Telegram Messenger. Search for gifs is a very cool feature. So in order to search for gifs, what you have to do is just click on add and just type gif. And as you can see, it uses Tenor's GIF API to search for GIFs, and you can just search for GIFs right away. So just click on birthday. Multiple birthday GIFs started coming over here, and I can select a birthday GIF and just click on this birthday GIF sent to the recipient person, and it also says via @GIF. So this is a very cool feature that is present on Telegram, guys. Just use and GIF. Tenor GIF engine gets activated and you can search for any number of GIFs and you can just send it to the recipient person. So guys, the next important tips and tricks for Telegram is to send any media without using the compression technology. If you use WhatsApp, Signal or Telegram, no matter what chatting application you use, whenever you send photos or videos, it uses its compression technology to reduce the quality and also reduce the size in order to make sure that the files get sent faster. This is a way of optimizing the data usage on your mobile. In order to send any files in an uncompressed way, what you have to do is first select all those files. I've selected a couple of photos over here, guys. In order to send in an uncompressed way, what you have to do is just select the three dots menu over here. And as you can see, there is an option to say send without compression. So just click on send without compression, and as you can see, get sent as a file, and all these photos will be sent in an uncompressed format or in the original size format. It will take a lot of data obviously, and it also takes some amount of time based on your internet connection to send these files to the recipient. As you can see, these files have been sent in a uncompressed manner. So this is a fantastic feature on Telegram Messenger. So guys, that's it for this quick video about Telegram Messenger. These are some of the important tips and tricks. I have also done a beginner's guide for Telegram's tips and tricks a couple of months ago. I'll be leaving the links to that video also in the description. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.